Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see that I have added my foundation on and did my eyebrows as well. The makeup look that I am going to be doing today is the emotions or feelings. Firstly, we are gonna start out with the freckles, and I am gonna be grabbing my Athena painting palette by You Can Be. I'm gonna be using brown color, as this may depend on your skin color, as it's like same goes to the foundation that you are using. And the brush that I will be using is the sponge eyeshadow brush to make that freckle dot, although you may use a brown liquid eyeliner. I am gonna be grabbing my concealer and gonna use the eye contour brush as to make that circle kind of shape, and I am just gonna tap that on my concealer and gonna be adding on the places to see where I can add next, so that we wouldn't make one closer to the other to keep the distance at place, and you may still add the concealer above the freckles. Next, I am going to be grabbing my Beauty Bay Bright Matte Eyeshadow Palette and using different colors, which are mix of Poppin' Poppy and Hot Stuff for the red color, Heat Wave for the orange color, Hello Sunshine for the yellow color, Labyrinth for the green color, and then lastly Pacific Dreams for the blue color. I have also used my XX Revolution X Envy shadow palette and used one of the violet shade. Although you guys can choose any kind of the shade as long as it gives like a rainbow effect, as these are the colors for the circles for now. If you do want to add a face paint kind of effect, then you may use as to what I did, like using the Athena face painting palette and along with those similar colors on what you have applied on your cheek area. Although at the end I have just stick with the eyeshadow palette as the effect feels more better. After finishing off on adding the eyeshadow on the place concealer circle, I am gonna be grabbing my eyeliner pen to be drawing the feelings or emotions, as most of them are gonna be smiley face depending on the color of the circle, and my eyeliner pen ink doesn't sometimes give that pigment. So I grabbed my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette volume number 1 and grabbed the black shade and just use the same pen. Notice that the red circle can be an angry face or an unamused face, and the violet for a shock-like face, and orange for a silly face. After finishing the process of the cheek area, I will be proceeding with the eyeshadow process and gonna be using again my Beauty Bay Bright Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Firstly, I will be grabbing my concealer and will apply that for the eyeshadow to make it more pigment. I'm gonna grab my sponge to blend that concealer in place. The first shade that I am gonna be using is the Granny Smith. I'm gonna use the eyeshadow brush through my lid, then the crease, and then my lower lash line going to the outer V. The next shade that I am gonna be using is the Oasis. It's like a green teal darker color, and then you may use a eyeshadow brush, but I just feel like a small flat brush is better. That's to be added on your crease and lower lash line, then to the outer V. And then I am gonna be doing the same to the other eye as well. And this is how it looks like. Next, for the eyeliner, I am gonna try to add a wing leg and then adding my false eyelashes. And then the last step is the lipstick that I am gonna be using a pink like matte color from Huda Beauty. Hope you guys like this final makeup look of the emotions or feelings that I have done of my version, which is not originally made by me, although I was inspired by someone where I saw it on Pinterest. And I am gonna put that link down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button to get notified too whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys!